Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out these floor mats for my vehicle that were sent to us by the manufacturer, VIWIK, as you can see down there, for free for us to sample today. Now, I've already got them installed in my vehicle, and they actually fit in there really nice and easily. They are pretty much like laser cut in order to fit inside your vehicle. I've got the one here on my driver's side, and then we've got the one over here on the passenger's side as well. And then in the back, it's like a big long piece that fits inside. That's just how my vehicle is. Speaking of vehicles, they do have these for all different types of vehicles. This right here is a Ford Fusion, 2017 Ford Fusion. However, all different makes, models, years, they are going to have you covered. Overall, I'm completely satisfied with these. I really like them. Like I said, easy to install, no problems at all with them. Really like them. They fit in there. They're not moving around. So go ahead and check these ones out.